Oh, hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how my account is doing and how you can make many more Swifts than just with the 100 Swifts a day that you're given. And I want to show you how you can do it for yourself. So let's have a look inside the account. I'll just log in now. Okay, so now you can see here there's 108,051 Swifts available, which is absolutely fantastic. The way it's done is by selling products of your own in the store. People are putting all kinds of products in here that you can sell. You can see somebody's selling a memory stick for 10,000 Swifts and got a nice 5-star review there. Somebody's going to create a Facebook business page for 3,000 Swift. Somebody's got a portrait here for 1,000 Swift, and so on and so on. You've got plenty of ideas here. This is a developing platform, so you've got all kinds of different categories here, which people are offering different services. Here's translation, for instance. Somebody's translating into Turkish, English to Persian, 1,000 Swifts. Russian, Polish translation, all kinds of interesting things in here. So you don't have to be don't have to produce particular products. I like my digital products. That's where I'm making my money. And here we've got making more how to make more Swift referrals, and I'm showing you how to do it now. If you need some more detail on different ideas, then you can, when you've got your Swift account, you can come in here and purchase this book for just 500. It's very cheap, particularly as your 100 Swifts per day are given to you. So you can see, I'll just show you quickly into my sales. These are the products that I've got at the moment, and we're making sales every day, lots and lots of sales every day. Okay, so that's how you make more Swifts, 100,000 plus, as I say, in 8 weeks. And you can also monetize your products, and I show you how to do that in that special report. So there you are. That's a happy day for me. Over 100,000 Swifts in the account and growing daily. If you don't know about Swift at all, what they are, you can watch one of my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description below this video so you can find out exactly what it is. Okay, but otherwise, just for quick reference here, you come in and create an account for free, and you get 100 free Swifts every day. Okay, there's frequently asked questions. You can just come and investigate, go into Swift Demand, and you'll be away to the races. This is a very exciting attempt at universal basic income, and it's obviously not a short-term gain for the actual Swifts, because the crypto hasn't become a cryptocurrency yet, but it is going to become one this year. And those 100,000 Swifts, who knows what price they're going to be. Bitcoin started this way at 0. These are at 0 at the moment because they haven't been launched, but look where Bitcoin is now. Have a think about that. If you want to get some basic income and start receiving your 100 Swifts a day, I'll leave a link below this video for that too. You can join and start earning your own. It's Ed Cohen saying bye for now. See you in another video. Bye bye.